Hello beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. Guys, in today's video I'll be sharing with you guys how you can make fresh turmeric soap. Fresh turmeric soap that can help to brighten your skin and give you even skin tone. Yes, that's what we're going to be making today, guys. Okay, so without much talk, let's get right into it. But before then, please, if today is your first time of seeing my face, don't make it your last. Okay, just hit the subscribe button down below so you can join the family, and thank you as you do that. Okay, so without much talk, let's get right into it. So like I said, guys, we are going to be making use of fresh turmeric. I got burnt yesterday while grilling chicken. So that's the mark on my hand. So this is the turmeric we'll be using, guys. Fresh turmeric. Okay, fresh turmeric looks like ginger, but it's not ginger, but they look alike. So that's the one we'll be using today. For this video, if you don't have fresh turmeric, you can also use powdered turmeric. Okay, so now I will go ahead and peel off the skin. Yeah, I'll go ahead and peel off the skin. Why I am putting on hand gloves is because turmeric has the tendency to stain. Yes, to stain your hands if they are not protected. So I don't want that. It's not as if the stains don't go out. They do go out after few 3 or 4 times of washing your hands, but I just want to prevent that. Okay, so in case if you will be using fresh one, you might consider using hand gloves. Okay, that's if you don't want any form of stain on your hands. Okay, guys. So for the brightening soap, we are using turmeric because it's no longer news that turmeric is a very good lightening agent. Yes, turmeric is considered to be a very potent ingredient for skin lightening. Yes, guys, so it contains a very powerful antioxidant ingredient that can help to reduce dark spots, blemishes, and hyperpigmentation. Yeah, and the antioxidant and the anti-inflammatory properties in turmeric helps to give your skin that luster glow, and helps in reviving it by bringing out a natural glow to your skin. Okay, so after peeling the turmeric, I'll go ahead and start grating it with this small size of the grater. If you don't have grater, you can also use your knife to like slice it into small pieces. Okay, so that's it. Guys, like I said, turmeric has a lot of skin benefits. It really has. If you want to lighten your skin naturally, if you want to have that natural glow, turmeric is the best ingredient to use on your skin to achieve that. Okay, so after grating it, this is what I have. The next thing I have to do is to go ahead and bring this pan. I'll place foil on top of it. If you have parchment paper, you can use that. Then I'll also go ahead and spray the grated turmeric on it. If you live in an area where there is sunlight, please dry it in sunlight. If you have dehydrator, that is the best. Also, you can use dehydrator to drain out the water, or you dry in sunlight. For me, I live in Europe, so I'll be drying my own in this oven. So I'll put it in the oven and turn on the oven to the lowest level so that it doesn't get burnt. The turmeric doesn't get burnt. Okay, so now, and I'll also leave it open like this, right? So that's it. This is the way I will dry mine. So this is after drying it. This is what I have. As you can see now, it's all dried. So the next thing here is that I'll go ahead and take the turmeric, add it into my blender. At this point, if you feel like the turmeric is so small, it won't be enough for you, you can as well add powdered one to it. Okay, but I'm not making much, so this one will be enough for me, right? So that's it. After adding the turmeric into the blender, the next thing is to get your oil, carrier oil. Which oil do you want to use? Which oil is suitable to your skin? Add that oil into this blender. For me, I'll be using this almond oil. Okay, I'll add almond oil into it. You can add sunflower oil, olive oil, coconut oil, any oil that is suitable to your skin. You can use it, okay guys? So after adding the oil, I will go ahead and blend it, right? I won't be adding water to it. This oil will serve as water. So now I will cover it and blend. And please make sure that you blend it very well, right? Actually, the reason why I dried it is because I used fresh turmeric, right? If I were to use the powdered one, I don't need to go through that process. I would just, you know, infuse the dry one into oil and make use of it, right? So this is it after blending it. I have it here with me. So this is the soap base I will be making use of. This is the soap base I'll be making use of. If you have Premier soap, Dove soap, all these soap they used to bathe, if you have them, you can use it. Or if you have plain soap base, you can also go ahead and make use of it. For me, this is the one I'll be making use of, okay guys? So I went ahead and I grated the soap. Why I did this is because I want the soap to melt faster. Yes, the tinier the soap, like the tinier it is, the faster it will melt, right? So after grating the soap, here I have my water boiling already. Then I'll go ahead and place this bowl on top of the pot. Make sure you are using a heat resistant bowl, okay? Or you can use stainless bowl, whichever one you have you can use, but make sure that it will not break in the process because of the heat. So after that, I added the grated soap. So the next thing I'll add here is my vitamin E oil. This is optional. If you don't have it, it's okay. Okay, it's okay. I'm just being extra here. So I added about 3 drops of vitamin E oil, right? Then after that, I'll go ahead and add the blended turmeric. So I'll also use hot water to rinse the blender. Rinse it with hot water and pour into the soap. And this is what I have. What I am making is soap tablet. Okay, what I'm making is soap tablet, so I don't want it to be too watery, right? So after adding the water, now I will allow the soap to melt. For faster melting, I'll be stirring it. But while stirring, I will try not to make the soap to lather. Like, I'll be gentle while stirring it. So this is about 30 minutes. As you can see, the soap has dissolved. It has dissolved. At this point, if you want to make shower gel, like the liquid soap, you can go ahead and add more water. That is if you want to use it as a liquid soap, okay? But if you want to make a soap tablet, you don't need to add more water, okay? So that is it. For me, I am making soap tablet. This consistency is okay for me. But if you want to use yours as what is it called, shower gel, go ahead and add more water to it. So now all the soap flakes have melted and I took it off the cooker. So the next thing to do here is to get your sieve. Get a sieve, go ahead and transfer the soap into a sieve. This is to get rid of any lumps, okay? We don't want any form of lumps in it, right? So this stage is necessary, okay guys? So once that is done, you go ahead and sieve. After sieving it, you have your soap here, right? If you want to use it as shower gel, you can go ahead and transfer it into your bottle, the bottle that you will use to be storing it. But because I am making soap tablet, I'll go ahead and bring my soap molder. Then I'll transfer it into this soap molder. Guys, this soap is the bomb. Oh my god, this soap is super nice. This soap, after using this soap to shower, it will leave your skin so hydrated, you know. Oh, let me not talk too much. You see these ones I'm making, I will use it all. I will use it all. I use it on my face, I use it on my skin. On my face, I will dip it into water, rub it on my face, leave it on my face for 30 minutes before I will go and shower and wash it out. Yes, that's how I use it for maximum result, right? So after adding it into the soap mold, I will let it cool down. I will let it solidify. So this is about 3 hours later. It has solidified, and this is what I have. Did you see? This is what I have. Remember the soap base, the soap carrier I used, like the soap base I used was one. I used one soap base, and now I'm able to get 6 pieces of soap tablets. Did you see? So I made a lot out of one soap. Yeah, so that is it. So here is it. You guys, let me show you that this soap is very nice. Did you see the way it lathers? It lathers very well. So use it to bath, and you can also use it on your face and on your body. Okay guys, so that is it. Guys, at this point, if you've watched to this point and you've not given this video a thumbs up, please kindly give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you all in my next one. Just do me one favor, hit that like button and the comment. Okay, I will see you all in my next one.